Hi friends, I just wanted to do a really quick video about how I do my nails. So this is from the imPress brand. I think these are really pretty. Of course, there are tons of styles. If I can find them, I will link them. I'm just showing you here what it comes with and how the nails are the peel and stick ones. So you just peel off the back and stick them on. That's basically all you do. So I'm showing you here that really the most time that I'm spending on this whole process is just fitting the nail to my own nail, finding the ones that fit my own nail the best. And so I go through each nail and find the one that fits the best and just kind of lay them out how they're going to be on my nail. So I finally finished picking the ones I want for each nail. I'm taking the little stick here they give you and kind of pushing back my cuticles just really gently. And then it comes with this information here. It tells you exactly how to do it. It's not rocket science, it's pretty easy. It also comes with a alcohol pad. It's important that you wipe down all of your nails to get any lotions or oils off your nails so that these will stick onto your nails. So do that really well. If you don't have the pad, that's fine. Just use some alcohol or even some acetone if you have that. And then you just start. I'm showing you here that you're just going to peel the backing, and where the little tab is, that little area is what's going to go at the cuticle. So you just place it on how you want it, and it usually pretty much sticks right off the bat, so you kind of have to put it exactly where you want it and then just press. I press mine for just a few seconds, and that's all you do. Just keep peeling and pressing, and I always end with my thumbs just because you're usually peeling with your thumbs, so it's a little easier if you end on your thumbs. And I'm just showing you here how I do it. So I'm almost finished here and just getting to my forefinger and thumbs, doing my thumbs last. This is a really economical way of doing your nails. There are tons of different styles, colors, lengths, and you can get a pack for under $10. I just got these at CVS. So it's much better than going to the salon, especially now. And you can definitely reuse these. There are at least 2 uses in every pack. And I was just showing you the little emery board that it comes with, so you can kind of file off those jagged ends. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.